So in continuation with merge sort, which we have done in part 1, where I was discussing about if the number of elements are 8, and this was what I have explained you, that if a list has only 8 elements, then we have merged all this. If the number of elements are more than 8, for example, if the number of elements are 10, then how do we do is very important for us. So now, the merge sort. If the number of elements are 10, let us say elements like 10, 5, 0, -4, 6, 7, -5, 8, 10 and 4. Now let us say these are the 10 elements. So they are arranged in an array. When you go for the splitting process, you will have a confusion whether this element should be included in the first part or the second part. So if the number of elements in this array, in this collection are 10, then how you have to do is, so undoubtedly, because there are now 10 elements, you can clearly partition it. So this containing 5 elements and this containing the other 5 elements. But when it is a question of the next division, whether it should be, this 0 should be taken here or 0 should be taken into this. So for that purpose, we adopt a method where you write this in an array for the initial an array. This is the subscript 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the name of array is A. Let us take it. So the division process, in the first phase, it will be divided like this. If you take the name of array to be A, and if there are 10 elements, as I just now showed you, there are 10 elements. So this is my name of the array. There are 10 elements. 10 elements. So first I split that into 2 parts. First containing A of this 1 to 5. And the second part contains 6 to 10. So this is your first. From here to here it is the first part, and here to here it is the second part. So then for the next, what you say is, for this array having the bound 1 to 5, it will be beginning with 1 only. But how to this calculation of this? We say this 1 plus 5, say the lower bound this by 2. So 1 plus 5 is 6 by 2. Therefore, it is having beginning with 1 and ending with 3. After the 3 is over, your array will contain only the parts 4 and 5. So it is divided. And similarly here, for this part, the upper bound is this 8 is calculated like 6 plus 8 by 2. I will take the lower bound. So I'll take the lower bound. So what if how it happens is this 6 by 18. So it will be 14 by 2. So you'll be taking like that.